Do you think you can speak Sepedi like a native Sepedi speaker? Well, let's put that into a test today. So today I'm going to be showing you some of the hardest Sepedi words to pronounce. Some of unusual words that you can find you can really find a Sepedi person saying them. Okay, so let's get it in our today's video. The first one is Tladimulongwana. Well, that's pretty hard, right? Okay, don't worry, I'm going to break it part by part and you will understand it. Okay, Tladimulongwana, Tladimulongwana. You might ask yourself, what is Tladimulongwana? So Tladimulongwana is a kiss. Well, most of the people just say a kiss or yes, just say kiss. But the correct Sepedi word for a kiss is Tladimulongwana. So the next word, so this word is not really a rare word, but most of the people get it wrong, especially those who do not speak Sepedi. Limpopo. Most of the people say Limpopo. So after the first O, just leave the M alone. Limpopo. Limpopo. So the next one, miemiela. So what is to miemiela? When you say motua miemiela, miemiela is to smile. So most of the Sepedi speakers don't usually use this word, but the correct word for smile is miemiela. They just say smile. Yes, they just say smile, but the correct word is miemiela. Myemyela. Miemiela. So the next word, I'm sure you have not heard this one yet. Dipishamare. Well, what is that? Dipishamare. So dipishamare is some things that are not likable, something that are not wanted. Dipishamare. So the next word is simpete ke go fete. Well, that is a very long word. Simpete ke go fete just means the traffic. Yes, where there's a lot of traffic, where there's a lot of up and downs, a lot of movements. The next word, fapa fapanego. Well, fapa fapanego means different things, various things. Fapa fapanego, it explains various things, different things. Or you can just say fapanego, but that doesn't provide the same meaning as fapa fapanego, dilo tsa go fapa fapana. So this one, I promise you have not heard it before. Tlotlontshu. Well, what is that? I'm going to give you a 5 seconds timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, what is it? Drop it in the comment section and let me if you got it. Tlotlontshu. Well, what is Tlotlontshu? Tlotlontshu just means an index, right? Index or a glossary. Well, the right word is glossary, where there is a bunch of words times explained. That is Tlotlontshu. Well, you can just say it's a dictionary, yes, but let's just say for context purposes is a dictionary. So the next word we have tlhakatlhakano. Well, many people just say tlhakatlhakano, which is totally wrong. The word is tlhakatlhakano. Tlahlhanyako. Tlhakatlhakano. I don't know if I spelled that correct. Yes, tlhakatlhakano. Tlhakatlhakano just means a very, very, very deep mess. Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. So don't forget that I have Sepedi online classes for grade 8 to 12 learners, or if you want to learn Sepedi for just language purposes or business purposes, just text me on my WhatsApp 078-305-7120 or use my email hazelmulay@gmail.com. And when you message me,